Hey everybody, this is Tanya at SideGigCrafts. I've got a review for you today. This is an Amazon review. I was asked to pick some items from this website, and I found some papers and a cordless glue gun, and I wanted to see how they were. And so they were kindly sent to me, and I wanted to just give you guys a review about these and see how they work. So we've got some 6x6 paper pad here. It's heavy. It says it's heavyweight cardstock. That page that's the cover, but I wouldn't say that. I'd say it's paper. It's scrapbook paper, maybe just a little bit thicker. There's some nice patterns on here. This one kind of looks like homemade paper. It's got some embossing. There's two of each kind in here. We've got some really pretty colors in this one. I think these are going to make really great collage papers or even pages for like a small journal. I say they're a little stronger than regular copy paper. You know, just basically a standard scrapbook paper probably. And then we've got our glue gun. So this was really cool. It actually plugged it in. It came with, in this box, it's got the instructions with it. Comes with the cord to plug it into your USB, and then it came with plenty of glue. And I would say, I just turned it on and then went to get some lunch. It took a little while to heat up. I was a little bit surprised about that, but let's see how it does. Ooh. It squirts. So it does a good line. Let's see if it's leaky. Hopefully not too much. I guess the nice part about the gun itself, this part doesn't get too hot. I mean, the metal has to get hot to melt the glue. But it feels like it's got good control. I like that it's got the stand on there. It does tend to drip, it looks like. I'm not super excited about that. It's just kind of leaking out. But all in all, I'd say it's a good product. So, you know, you can turn it off and on here. And I like that it doesn't have to have a cord. So, and it's got a light on the back, indicator light on the back, to show you if it is on or charging or not. So I'm curious to see in the long haul how well it does. So anyway, I'd say it's probably gonna work out. Oh, I don't like the drip. I just don't like it. You know, I have this glue gun and I've had it for years, and I can leave it on all night long and it doesn't drip. So I'm not used to that drippy. I do prefer no drip. So we'll see how it goes. I'll tell you guys how it works out in the long run. But in the meantime, there you go. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for joining in. See you soon.